Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Kraken tutorial, how to use Kraken for beginners. So all you need to do is go to a web browser and then look for Kraken. Click the first link and here you can sign up using your email address and password, or the easiest way also to create an account is by just connecting your Kraken to your Google account. So once you have created your Kraken account right here, then the very first thing you should do in order for you to proceed with your transaction is verify your account. So once you're landed to the Kraken, you will see a verify identity and you need to click that one. So basically, you need to add your information, like you can verify your email. You need to complete your KYC identity verification by uploading your ID. Higher verification levels allow larger deposits and withdrawals. You can also secure your account and enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for extra security. Set up withdrawal whitelist. So once you have verified your account, and then you can now start with your deposit. So you can go to funding deposit. You can choose a fiat currency like USD or crypto. For fiat, you can link your bank account via wire. For crypto, just copy your Kraken wallet address and send funds from your external wallet. Also, you can try this buy, sell, and convert right here once you're verified. You can use features like buy, sell, for example, for buy cryptocurrency. Once funded, you can click buy crypto, select the coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, enter the amount in your currency or crypto, and confirm purchase. You can also try the trade and then withdraw funds. So to withdraw, you just have to go to withdraw, enter your wallet address, and confirm. But of course, you need to be fully verified in order for you to do that. On the left side, you can see here your portfolio, explore, and support center. So that is Kraken tutorial, how to use Kraken for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.